We are traveling down Route 39 east to Richwood, West Virginia, for the 82nd Feast of the RAMSON Ramp Festival, being held today, May 15, 2021. We have now arrived in Richwood. Some of you may not be familiar with ramps. Ramps are a wild leek, or onion that grows in the wild. Early settlers to West Virginia dug up and ate ramps as part of their diet, trying to survive in the wilderness. The town of Richwood has made ramps into a state festival, where hundreds of people each year travel from all 50 states and different countries come to Richwood and try these smelly, delicious wild onions annually. The ramps usually are served with cornbread, potatoes, brown beans, baked ham, a slice of cake for dessert and a cold drink or coffee. Last year, the festival was cancelled due to COVID concerns. Today's festival will probably be bigger than the past festivals, because of last year's cancellation. Some entrepreneurs in the area had made ramps into jellies and jams and other products and sell them online and in stores. And you will see many vendors have now set up. Normally, this event is held in April, but because of COVID, they delayed it to May. The ramps were picked fresh in April and frozen until the May event. Kirkwood Wineries out of Summersville are displaying some of their varieties of fine wines. They have a wine festival in Summersville every September, where you can taste and sample some of their wines.
There's one on each side and one in the front.
You will see that the lines are very long this year. While standing in line, we met bikers from Charleston and a woman from Mason County that brought her daughter with her. That was from Virginia Beach. This was her daughter's first time at the Ramp Festival. The Ramp dinner was served in the Richwood Moose Lodge. If you wish to attend next year, we advise you buy your tickets in advance, so you won't have to wait so long in line. Also, they do not accept debit cards or credit cards, cash only. You can choose to dine in or get your meal to go and dine outside. The price of the meal is $15, which includes a cold drink. The Feast of the RAMSON has been a great festival and the food was excellent. We haven't attended this event in over 3 years, but we are planning to return next year. If you are planning to attend next year, we again recommend you purchase advance tickets.